try. All these labs out here. Watch out. Oh! I'm expecting the dog to jump in. Jay? Somebody jump for it. Are you trying to make him jump on me? No. Maybe. I want to get Iris. Iris, come here. Do you have a leash on you? Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see you working with a dog, trying to get it in.
Okay, here. Iris, come here. Iris. Because she'll get in once I start tugging on her.